Very well, so we've already learned a bit about planning. Of course, we could go much deeper, but now we're moving on to the next stage. After planning, after the CAD project, how is this going to be sliced in your slicer, right? In your slicing software. I work here with Chitterbox for the printer that I selected as my ideal printer for flexible prostheses. And within this slicer, I always recommend bimaxillary prostheses to be angled at 45 degrees, always keeping the internal part free of supports. In other words, the priority is the adaptation of this prosthesis over the mucosa. My second recommendation within the slicer is to use medium or extremely heavy supports to ensure that during the lifting of our 3D printer, the prosthesis does not detach and we can achieve a perfect 3D print. Third recommendation within the software, in my case, Chitterbox. The tip of the support, I always leave it with the same thickness as all the other supports. In other words, the tip that is usually more tapered and delicate in a conventional print, in the case of the flexible prosthesis, I leave it with the same thickness as the middle part of the support.